Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the world of Asana and learning how to perform time tracking on your tasks, your complete 2025 guide. First things first, log into your Asana account. Once you're in, locate the task you want to track time for. This could be any task, a project, a meeting, or even a coffee break. Why do we do this? Well, tracking time helps you understand how long each task takes, which aids in future planning and productivity. Now that we've selected the task, click on it to open the Task Details panel. Here, you'll see an option that says Add Time. This is where our main action happens. Click on Add Time to start the time tracking process. The reason we do this is simple. You want to know exactly how much time you're spending on each task. It's a great way to understand your productivity flows and manage your workload. As you click Add Time, a timer will start. Now, carry on with your task. As you do so, Asana will keep tracking your time. This helps us because it automates the process of time tracking, saving us the trouble of manually recording the time spent. Once you're done with the task, head back to the Task Details panel and click on Stop Time. This halts the timer and records the time you've spent on that particular task. Now, let me explain why this matters. By stopping the timer, you're not just recording your time, but you're also allowing Asana to generate comprehensive time reports. These reports can help you analyze your work pattern and make necessary adjustments. Next up, you should note that you can edit the recorded time if needed. Just click on the recorded time, make your changes, and hit Save. Why do we have this option? Well, in case you forget to start or stop the timer, you can manually adjust the time to ensure accurate tracking. Now, if you want a deeper insight into your time tracking, navigate to the Reports section. Here, you'll find detailed reports of your time tracking on Asana. It's like having a behind-the-scenes look at your productivity, helping you make data-driven decisions to optimize your work. And voila! That's how you perform time tracking on Asana tasks. Remember, the key lies in consistency. The more you track, the more insights you get, and the better you can manage your time. So, start tracking and boost your productivity to new heights. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.